Alright guys, so this is my first time to charge in a public charging area. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, I don't have any membership, so let's just pull the plug and have it plugged. Alright, let me just put the phone down for a while. Okay, says initializing. So what we're gonna do is check here, pay by debit. Okay, pay by debit. Let's pay. Says processing. This may take a minute. Your payment cannot be processed. Please retry to submit an alternative method. Okay. Okay, I switched to another pay by guest mobile. Okay, got that. It's 0.48 cents per kilowatt. Let me cost. Okay, payment approved. Initializing. Please remove card. There you go. Initializing charging. So hope it is good. All right, welcome driver, electrify America. And there you go. Continue. Okay, is that a phone number? Okay, let's put in the phone number. 772. Thank you for choosing. Okay, we are on 56%, and energy delivered is right there. Charging cost. So 6:39 p.m. So 15 minutes left until 80%. Okay, cool. So we'll be back by 15 minutes. All right, here you go. Fast charging, it says. So I'm not sure if you need to lock the door.
Now you just plug in.
Huh?
Are you plugging out or you just plug in?
No, I just plug in. Yeah. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go inside the mall and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so after a few minutes, it's 94%. We're gonna hit stop. Charging station, $12.95. Okay. Please unplug. So I'm gonna unplug now. Oops. Oh, you hit it. Thank you, driver. So 1377. Charging is $12.95. 1 hour is 27 minutes. All right, finish.
Are you done? You did? You finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to connect to
Yeah, this one.
Okay,